Space Entertainment Laboratory, SEL, recently showcased its seaplane unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, namely the HAMADORI 6000 and HAMADORI concept, to the Japanese Ministry of Defense, MoD. During an interview at the Paris Air Show 2023, Takanori Hashimoto, the research and development lead at SEL, shared insights about their recent activities. Between 24 and the 26th of May 2023, SEL conducted demonstration flights of the HAMADORI 6000 UAV for the Japanese MoD. These flights provided an opportunity for the MoD to observe the capabilities of the UAV. Furthermore, discussions were held regarding the larger HAMADORI concept UAV. These engagements between SEL and the MoD, as well as the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, have been ongoing for over a year. The JMSDF has expressed particular interest in the HAMADORI UAVs for applications such as underwater scanning and minesweeping. SEL envisions the HAMADORI family of UAVs as a means to connect sea surface, underwater, and air assets, including unmanned surface vehicles, USVs, and military submarines. By operating both above the water and landing on the surface, the UAV can autonomously establish communication links with underwater vehicles using acoustic transmission. This functionality allows it to serve as a relay point between underwater, surface, and air vehicles. The demonstration flights provided the MoD with valuable insights into the capabilities and potential applications of the HAMADORI UAVs. SEL's commitment to advancing the field of unmanned systems has led to the development of these versatile UAVs, which bridge the gap between various domains. The ability to establish communication between different assets in different environments is a significant achievement, offering enhanced coordination and information sharing capabilities for military operations. The HAMADORI UAVs represent an innovative solution to address the evolving challenges faced by the JMSDF. By incorporating seaplane capabilities, they provide unique advantages in maritime environments. The ability to scan underwater areas and clear mines from a remote location enhances the safety and efficiency of naval operations. Additionally, the UAVs can act as a vital link between different assets, facilitating seamless communication and coordination. SEL's efforts in collaborating with the MoD and the JMSDF highlight the importance of partnership between industry and defense organizations. This collaboration ensures that technological advancements align with operational requirements, enabling the development of tailored solutions. The ongoing discussions and demonstrations signify a promising future for the integration of UAVs into the JMSDF's capabilities, contributing to enhanced maritime security. Overall, SEL's demonstration of the HAMADORI UAVs to the Japanese MoD marks a significant step in advancing unmanned systems for maritime operations. The ability to establish connections between sea, air, and underwater assets opens up new possibilities for coordinated and effective military missions. By embracing technological advancements, Japan strengthens its defense capabilities and reaffirms its commitment to safeguarding its national interests in the maritime domain.